Hello students. So today we are going to solve question number 9, accounting ratio from the book DK Goyal. Okay. Now see the question. Calculate the current ratio from the following. Working capital 4,80,000. First of all, note all the points given. Working capital 4,80,000. Trade payable 2 lakh rupees. Bank overdraft 40,000. Okay, clear? Now see, working capital is also known as liquidity ratio. Clear है? Liquidity ratio. The other name of liquidity ratio is working capital ratio. Now see, working capital, trade payable and bank overdraft is given and we have to calculate the current ratios. Okay. Now first of all, the formula of working capital is छोड़ो, फर्स्ट ये कैलकुलेट कर लो, पहले करंट लाइबिलिटी कैलकुलेट कर लो. First we calculate the current liability. Okay. So the current liability is trade payable and bank overdraft. So trade payable plus bank overdraft. It is 2 lakh rupees plus 40,000. 2,40,000. Clear? Current liability is 2,40,000. Now see the working capital. Working capital equal to, the formula of working capital is current asset minus current liability. Current asset minus current liability. So the value of working capital is 4,80,000. 4,80,000. Okay, working capital equal to current asset minus current liability. So the value is 4,80,000. Current asset is not given and current liability is 2,40,000. So current asset will be 4,80,000 प्लस ये माइनस है, इधर जाएगा तो प्लस हो जाएगा, प्लस 2,40,000. So 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 4 8 4 2 12 का 1 4 6 6 7 7,20,000. Clear? The value of current asset is 7,20,000. So now find out the current ratio. Current asset upon current liability. Current asset is 7,20,000. Upon liability 2,40,000. It will 3:1. Okay. The answer is 3:1. Clear? Now by this way question number 4 is complete. Question number 9 is complete. Okay. Now see the question number 10. नोट कर लीजिए इसको, फिर हम इसको मिटा दें. ये चलो जल्द कर लेते हैं. Question number 10. Calculate the current ratio and liquidity ratio, liquid ratio. Cash and cash equivalent. So first of all to calculate the current ratio, what is given? Cash and cash equivalent, trade receivable, inventories including 30,000, loose tools 1,80,000 है, prepaid expenses and working capital is 2,80,000 है. Okay. चलो तो करंट एसेट हम लोग कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कैलकुलेट द करंट एसेट. अब करंट एसेट में क्या क्या आ जाएगा? कैश एंड कैश इक्विवेलेंट प्लस ट्रेड रिसीवेबल प्लस इन्वेंट्रीज, यहां ध्यान देना इन्वेंट्रीज, और ये हो जाएगा एक्सक्लूडिंग लूज टूल्स। जो भी लूज टूल्स होंगे, लूज टूल्स होते हैं जैसे छोटे छोटे जो मतलब पार्ट्स होते हैं, जो बहुत ही छोटे पार्ट्स होते हैं, उनको लूज टूल्स की कैटेगरी में डाला जाता है। तो इन्वेंट्रीज जब भी हम करंट असेट में कैलकुलेट करेंगे, हम लूज टूल्स को माइनस करके ही कैलकुलेट करेंगे, ठीक है। द नेक्स्ट इज प्रीपेड एक्सपेंसेस, इट इज ऑल्सो योर करंट असेट, प्रीपेड एक्सपेंस। ओके, द कैश इज 40,000, कैश वैल्यू 40,000, ट्रेड रिसीवेबल 2,70,000, इन्वेंट्री एक्सक्लूडिंग लूज टूल्स, तो टोटल इन्वेंट्री इज 1,80,000 एंड लूज टूल्स इज 30,000. So 1,80,000 minus 30,000, 1,50,000. ओके, 1,80,000 में से हम 30,000 को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे, लूज टूल्स की वैल्यू नहीं कैलकुलेट करते हैं, ठीक है। सो द इन्वेंट्रीज इज 1,50,000, प्रीपेड इज 20,000, prepaid expense 20,000. So the total value is 40 to 70 20 4,80,000. Clear? So the current asset is 4,80,000. Okay. Now the next is working capital is given. Working capital. So the formula of working capital, you know, current asset minus current liability. Current asset minus current liability. वर्किंग कैपिटल वैल्यू है 2,80,000 इक्वल टू करेंट एसेट इज 4,80,000 माइनस करेंट लाइबिलिटी. सो करेंट लाइबिलिटी विल बी प्लस एंड 4,80,000 minus 2,80,000 880, 4 minus 2 2. Current liability value is 2 lakh rupees. So the current ratio will be current asset upon current liability. Okay, don't go for shortcut. Okay, also always write the full form. So current asset is 4,80,000, liability 2 lakh rupees. (48 upon 20) 2.4. The value is 2.4 is to 1. आंसर ठीक है, 2.4 is to 1. So the current ratio हमको मिल गया कि current ratio क्या है. Now see the liquid ratio. For the liquid ratio, we have to calculate the liquid asset. Liquid asset formula है current asset minus inventory minus prepaid expenses and minus advance tax. Clear? So the current asset, total value of the current asset is 4,80,000 minus the value of inventory is 1,50,000. Clear है? The value of inventory is 1,50,000 minus the prepaid expense value is Prepaid expense value 20,000. And the advance tax is not given in the question. So 4,80,000 150 20 3,10,000 3,10,000. So liquid asset or quick asset, liquid ratio, sorry, liquid ratio or quick ratio, both are same. Liquid asset upon current liability 3,10,000 upon liability is 2 lakh rupees. So 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 31 by 20 1.55 1.55 is to 1. This will be your liquid ratio. Clear? सही है? So question number 9 and question number 10 is completed. ठीक है. In the next video we will see the next question. Clear?